Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into sublimation printing, you know that choosing the right design software is just as important as your printer, ink, and blanks. But with so many options out there, both free and paid, it can be overwhelming to figure out which one is best for you. So today, I'll be walking you through the best sublimation software options, including free design tools like Canva, Google Docs, and Silhouette Studio, as well as premium software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy way to print or a professional needing advanced design tools, this guide will help you choose the right software for your needs. Before we get started, make sure you visit my website, link in the description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. Now, let's jump in. Best free software for sublimation. If you're just starting out and want free sublimation design software, there are several great options that let you create, resize, and print your designs without spending money on paid programs. Canva is one of the most popular free design tools and is great for beginners. You can create designs, add text, and use templates, but one drawback is that the free version doesn't allow for transparent backgrounds, and it requires a workaround for mirroring designs before printing. Another free option is Google Docs, which may sound surprising, but it's actually a simple way to print sublimation designs at full size without dealing with software limitations like Cricut Design Space. You can insert images, resize them, adjust page margins, and print without worrying about size restrictions. It's not a design tool, but it works well if you already have your images ready for printing. For those who use Silhouette cutting machines, Silhouette Studio is another free software that allows you to design and print sublimation images. The free version offers basic design and printing capabilities, but if you want to export as PNG or SVG, you'll need to upgrade to the paid version. If you're looking for a Photoshop alternative, Photopea is a great free browser-based software that works similarly to Photoshop. It allows you to edit images, remove backgrounds, and export designs for sublimation without any downloads. Another great free vector-based software is Inkscape, which works well for creating logos, vector graphics, and scalable designs. Unlike Canva, Inkscape gives you full control over your designs and allows for transparent backgrounds, making it great for sublimation printing. Finally, if you need a powerful image editor, GIMP is another Photoshop alternative that offers advanced design tools for free. It has a learning curve, but it's great for detailed photo editing and sublimation design work. Best paid software for sublimation. If you want more advanced design tools, investing in paid software might be worth it, especially if you're running a sublimation business. Adobe Photoshop is one of the best design programs for sublimation, offering precise color control, ICC profile support, and professional editing tools. If you want high-quality, detailed sublimation designs, Photoshop is a great investment. For those working with vector graphics, Adobe Illustrator is another powerful tool that allows you to create scalable designs without losing quality. This is especially useful for logos, large prints, and multi-layered designs. If you're looking for a one-time purchase instead of a subscription, CorelDRAW is another professional software that offers vector design capabilities similar to Illustrator, but with a more affordable pricing structure. For Sawgrass printer users, the Sawgrass Print Manager and Creative Studio are also highly recommended. These tools are specifically designed for sublimation and ensure accurate colors without needing ICC profiles. If you own a Sawgrass SG500 or SG1000, using their software will give you the best results. Which software is best for you? If you're a beginner and just want something simple to start with, Canva or Google Docs are great free options. If you need a bit more control over your designs, Silhouette Studio or Photopea are solid choices. For those looking for professional results, Photoshop, Illustrator, or CorelDRAW offer the best design flexibility and color accuracy. And if you're using a Sawgrass printer, sticking with Sawgrass Creative Studio and Print Manager is the best way to ensure accurate sublimation prints. No matter which software you choose, the key is to pick one that fits your skill level and workflow so you can create high-quality sublimation prints without frustration. There are so many options when it comes to sublimation design software, and the best choice really depends on what you need and how much you're willing to spend. Whether you're just starting out or looking for professional tools, there's a software solution that fits your needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. You can visit my website, link in the description below, or search for my brand color vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. See you in the next video.